Out with the devil. Hoo, 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 hoo. Oh, you. Hoo. Watch out for that sneaky uppercut. Oh, ho, ho. Anyway, look at this. Oh, now I've got this. Is it Nobsound or Nobsound? Now I prefer it to be Nobsound, but I think it is Nobsound. I don't know. It's a hybrid power amplifier and it's the B100. Oh, anyway, we've got to get this sucker out of the box. But before we do, just a quick word from today's sponsor. Improve your bragging rights with audiophile grade snake oil. Simply spray onto any piece of reasonably priced audio equipment and turn it into a ridiculously overpriced hype job, worthy of any audiophile snobbery. Audiophile grade snake oil, available online now. Warning, audiophile grade snake oil may cause irreparable damage to your bank balance. And there you go, audiophile grade snake oil. Get it now, while you can, while it lasts. Oh, anyway, let's get this out of the box. Oh. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Oh. Oh, what we got? We've got, look, it's Instruct. Obviously the Bluetooth aerial there. Right, I'm going to flip this up, I reckon. Get it out. Right. Got a power cable there. And notice no big blocky power thing, you know. Just a lead. What the deuce? So it's obviously the built-in power supply. That's better than them other amps, isn't it? Let's get it out of there. Oh, hang on. What's this? Ooh. Oh, it's packaged well, given that. Hang on. Ah, there you go. There you go. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, it's not bad. Quite. Now, look at them tubes. Now, I'm glad they've already come pre-inserted, because it's a pain in the neck when you have to insert them yourself, isn't it? Now, this is a hybrid amp. I think it's a Class AB. So we got a volume there. Oh. And we got the VU meter. Now it's a stereo amp, but you just go one channel. So it's mono. It doesn't really do something. It's just for looks really, but it does look pretty cool. On the back then, we got, what we got here? That's where the Bluetooth aerial goes. Your optical, coaxial, subwoofer out, auxiliary 1 and 2, headphone output, speaker, USB, flipping heck, it's got enough on it, hasn't it? On the front, there, oh, it's just the volume on the top, sorry. What we got? Then we just got the inputs here. Now, I noticed straight away off the bat, it's no remote. So it means I've got to get up off my chair. You could always use a preamp for it, I suppose. Now, I will say straight off the bat, the volume knob feels a little bit plasticky, but it is what it is. I would have preferred if it was aluminium, or for my American chums, aluminum. Now there was a thing where some people were saying these tubes are hard to get. Now I believe from the customer service guy I was speaking to for this, he said they're changing the tubes to make them more accessible, but they are available on Amazon and they are available from their own website, so you can get them. But it's unlikely these are going to conk out anytime soon. What does this say there? It says they're 6P17As. Right, so I got it connected up to my CD player. Oh, and I'm surprised how decent it sounds and how loud it goes considering the wattage. Now it's 25 watt per channel into 4 ohms and 17 watts per channel into 8 ohms. Doesn't sound like a lot, does it? But boy, does this go loud. More than loud enough for where this is sat. If you really whack it up, I mean blasting, it starts losing a bit of control. Okay, it does start going a bit wibbly wobbly. Okay, but that's way above what you would normally listen into, even at a party, I think. Would I put it with big tower speakers or my Wharfedale Lintons? Probably not. It would probably drive them, but when you start getting up to high volumes, it probably wouldn't. I'd recommend something like a bookshelf speaker. These are Wharfedale 220s, and possibly the one up, the Wharfedale 225s, or the Wharfedale Diamond 12.1s, or the Wharfedale Diamond 12.2s. I think this would power them. The 12.2s would give you a bit more oomph, a bit more room filling, a bit more bass. And I think this would drive them fine, no problem at all, to pretty loud levels. The Bluetooth, it's okay, it's fine. It is only SBC. Okay. I would prefer to have seen aptX HD at the very minimum, especially in today. Now you should, at the very least, you should expect from Bluetooth. But it's not bad. It serves a purpose. It is what it is. The headphone socket, it does a job. It's okay. Is it brilliant? Nah, it's all right, but through the phono cables, the RCAs, really good through this CD player. Oh, the DAC in it, again, it's not bad. It's pretty good. It's about on par with a Wii Mini, which that is pretty good as well. You could improve it if you wanted to buy an external DAC, but it depends on your budget really. If you're just getting this by your PC, or if you got it in a dorm room or something, if you're a student or whatever, perfect, just as it is. Anyway, obviously I love a sound test. Oh, I do love a sound test. So what I've done, I thought, do you know what? It does sound pretty good. I wonder how it sounds against my Rotel RA01. Now I do like this amp. It's a decent sounding amp. So what I've done, I've played a CD through my CD player, obviously. I'm not going to play it through a tape deck, am I? Duh. And I've compared these two together, playing a CD through my CD player, using these Wharfedale 220 speakers. The B100 doesn't have any tone controls, which is a bit of a shame, really. It would have been good to have some tone controls on it, but as it stands, it's still pretty good. So what I've done to even it out, I've put the Rotel, I've turned the tone controls off. Okay, so the tone control's not in use at all for the Rotel, just to match it up, to make it fair. Anyway, have a listen to this. Oh! So, what do you think? What do you think of that? Now, closer than you would expect, wasn't it? Yeah. I was like, what? I think the RA01 was slightly better, a little bit more of a better soundstage. I think the treble was a bit smoother. and the mids were a little bit better on the Rotel. But I'm talking small amounts. Maybe I should have done a blind A/B test really, because it was, you know, if I A/B'd them blindfolded, I don't know. I don't know. The Rotel was a little bit better, but only a little bit. Anyway, Nobsound B100, bloody good for the price. Probably one of the best amps you could get under 200 quid, I'd imagine. 160 quid at the moment, not bad at all. And I do like the fact that you don't have that stupid big power brick supply hanging on the back of your bloody wardrobe or cupboard or whatever it is. Anyway, that's come to the end of the video. I'll catch you in the next one.